Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Queensha. I'm from Bilingual Terpadu School. And now I want to tell you a famous story. Maybe you know about that, but I will tell this story in my version. Check it out. The Legend of Crying Stone. In a small village, a girl lives with her mother. The girl is very beautiful. Every day, she puts makeup and wears her best clothes. She don't like to have her mother work in a field. The girl is very lazy. One day, the mother asks the girl to accompany her to go to the market to buy some food. At first, the girl refused, but the mother persuades her by saying they are going to buy new clothes. The girl finally agrees, but she asks her mother to walk behind her. She don't want to walk side by side with her mother. No, don't walk beside me, mother. Go behind. Although her mother is very sad, she agrees to walk behind her daughter. On the way to the market, everybody admires the girl's beauty. They are also curious. Behind the beautiful girl, there is an old woman with a simple dress. The girl and her mother look very different. Hello, pretty lady. Who is the woman behind you? Ask them. She is my servant. The mother is very sad, but she don't say anything. The girl and the mother meet other people. Hello, beauty. Who is the woman behind you? Ask them again. She is my servant. She always is her servant every time they meet people. At least the mother cannot hold the pain anymore. Then he met a very handsome man who wants to marry her. Ma'am, can I marry your daughter? Yes, but you have to change my daughter's attitude. That man agrees to change the daughter's attitude. After they got married, the girl was very rude with her mother. When her husband knew that, he was very angry to her. He cursed the girl. You are a rude woman. How could you do this to your mother? You are not a human anymore. Now you become a stone. Slowly, the girl will turn into stone. The process continues to the upper part of the girl's body. The girl is very panicky. Mother, please forgive me. She cries and asks her mother to forgive her. Happy, please, don't do this to me. Oh no! Her whole body finally became a big stone. The mother cried loudly. Please, don't do this to my daughter. Please return her. I will replace her to become a stone. The mother prays to God. Oh God, I cannot live without my daughter. Please return her. Change me as a stone. God answered her prayer and changed the mother's body to become a stone. The daughter was very sorry to see that her mother to replace the curse, and the girl was all time crying on the mother's stone until she died. People then call it the crying stone. Let's pray everyone who are doing anything for their children. They cannot see their child in pain. And we, as the younger generation, we must show that all parents are the people who show the respect and love the most. This is my story, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.